Hi guys, in this video I want to talk to you about the rhizome. Okay, in the previous video we talked about sort of who Gilles Deleuze is and how he was influenced by Spinoza, Nietzsche and Bergson. And in this video I want to discuss the most important concept for his philosophy. And if you can understand this, you can pretty much understand all of Deleuze, okay? Because this concept is really central. Okay, that's the concept of rhizome. Okay, and since Deleuze is a postmodernist, um, for him, rhizome must be opposed to something else. So rhizome is kind of the postmodern thing, and the question is, well, what is the modern thing? And for Deleuze, it's the tree. Okay, so let's compare a tree and a rhizome. So first of all, these are biological concepts. If you had any kind of biology courses in high school or in university, this it will help. So let's just look at a tree, and I mean, doesn't matter which species, whatever. The way that trees are structured is the same. Okay, so it doesn't matter that much. So trees have a root underground, they have a stem and they have twigs and leaves and stuff like that. So it's a vertical structure, and for Deleuze the vertical structure is the modern structure. Okay, it's a hierarchy, it's a pyramid, um, it's structured and it's hierarchical. Okay, so that's the thing about the tree. So the capitalist system, it's, and by the way, kind of in French, it's called arborescent, the concept that Deleuze, but we'll just talk about the tree structure. Okay, so capitalism, the modern nation state, they're all tree-like structures. Um, we have kind of politicians at the top, kind of middle class people, and then we have the proletariat at the very bottom. So very kind of vertical structure. And Deleuze says we are kind of done with that. Okay, so it's dying. That's the modern thing that's going away, and now we should embrace and welcome the rhizome. Okay, this horizontal structure. So a rhizome is essentially a horizontal root. Okay, which is not vertical but it's horizontal. So grass is a rhizome. So a lot of things are rhizomes. So Deleuze kind of looks at our whole world as rhizomes and trees. Okay, and how the rhizome can oppose the tree and how they differ. Okay, so in the next video we'll get more into the details of the mechanisms of the rhizome.